Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-driving 11.4.4 aerial perspective video.
If we can get out of the parking lot.
If we can get out of the parking lot. If you guys are liking the content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the crazy YouTube algorithm.
Should I raise the suspension? Probably.
No, you're fine.
Okay. I gotta get over 2 lanes.
Oh, I see why you're waiting.
Plus, there's not really.
Might have been better off going back to the driveway prior, but I think you got an opening here.
Oh, I got it open. I'll be fine. Oh, yeah. Perfectly fine. Here we go.
There we go.
There we go. A ghost. Ruh-roh, Shaggy.
Ruh-roh. Ruh-roh.
All right. See, when I'm having a really smooth drive and it does stuff like that, I
It's
just
not
take.
the end of the world.
No, but what I was saying was I usually just take over to continue a nice
Smooth drive. Yeah, no, I get
versus
that,
getting the like.
the frustration of the. Yeah.
Am I gonna go? Am I gonna go? Am I gonna make it?
I feel that.
See, sometimes I think you get upset with me when I just take over at those moments, but then I'm like, I'm driving.
I think for like YouTube videos, because people are so adamant about the software being the thing that drives the car, and that, I mean, you have to put yourself in the viewer's perspective, right? In some regards, because not everybody has this car, and not everybody has the software, and not everybody's able to experience it, and so they've got to live vicariously through these videos. And
But I think that's why sometimes I add the comment afterwards of this is why I took over.
Yeah.
Was because I was having a very nice, smooth experience.
Oh, definitely.
And it's like I just wanted to continue my nice, smooth experience.
Definitely. I'll give you that.
I love how it usually handles these corners really well. But that one coming into this neighborhood, for some reason, it's like 50-50. A bicyclist? Imagine going down this hill on a bicycle.
Right? You fly.
Remember in our neighborhood before they started building all those houses, the people would record themselves on the luge boards?
Yes.
Is that what those are called? Longboards?
Think so? It's actually really fun.
Yeah. I was letting it route to where you wanted it to route.
Oh, no worries.
I suppose it would just cut through, but I don't know if those actually connect or not.
It is. Yeah, you can just cut through.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, go ahead. Well, you guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. Again, thanks for tuning in, and if you're liking the content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll keep them coming to you. Car coming up at us.
Okay.